This collection of shed plans is massive, and there are over 12,000 shed plans here. Ryan is an experienced woodworker with more than 20 years of experience under his belt. He has been building sheds for others for years. To actually build a shed is a relatively large undertaking, and you have to be well prepared. To start off, you must have a good plan, and you can definitely find one among Ryan's collection. My Shed Plans is one of the top-selling guides online, and it has thousands of satisfied customers. All designs and projects come with full woodworking plans. The schematic blueprints are detailed, yet easy enough to follow. The instructions are written in language that is simple and concise. To make things easier, you're also provided with illustrations so that you will roughly know what the finished shed is going to look like. Each project comes with a material list so that you only buy what you need and not more. This will save you money and reduce waste. People who start a project without a plan usually buy way more than what they need. That won't happen to you here. The package includes bonus shed plans, DWG CAD illustrations, and garage plans too. This makes things easier for you and gives you more variety.